This question tells us that a curve has the equation xy squared equals x squared plus 1. It's telling us to find dy dx and it's telling us to find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve. I'm going to rewrite the equation over here. Xy squared equals x squared plus 1. Let's differentiate this. Of course we can't differentiate xy squared at once. We're going to have to differentiate using the product rule. So we'll call u equals x, v equals y squared. Du by dx is 1. And dv by dx, we're going to have to apply the chain rule on this. So we bring the 2 down. We have the y. And when you differentiate y with respect to x, you get dy dx. So that's 2y dy dx. And now let's apply the product rule. The product rule is u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So xy squared differentiated turns into 2xy dy over dx plus y squared. Now let's look at the second half. It equals x squared plus 1. If we differentiate the whole equation, we get 2xy dy over dx plus y squared equals 2x, and 1 differentiates into 0. Let's rearrange this equation so we can make dy over dx the subject. So we'll get 2xy dy dx, and we'll minus the y squared equals 2x minus y squared. And now let's divide through by 2xy. So dy over dx equals 2x minus y squared over 2xy. So we have got dy over dx in terms of x and y. So we've completed the first part of the question. So our equation for dy over dx was 2x minus y squared over 2xy. And now it's asking us to find the coordinates of the stationary points. So the stationary points are found when dy over dx equals 0, as you should know. So we write 0 equals 2x minus y squared over 2xy. You can multiply through by 2xy and get rid of the denominator. So 0 equals 2x minus y squared at the stationary point. Therefore, y squared equals 2x. We can substitute this into our original equation of xy squared equals x squared plus 1. So when we substitute that, we'll get, because y squared equals 2x, we just replace the y squared, and we'll get x times 2x equals x squared plus 1. That's going to be 2x squared equals x squared plus 1. We'll minus x squared and we'll get x squared equals 1. So that means x equals plus or minus 1 because we just square root 1. Now we've got the x coordinates, let's find the corresponding y coordinates. So that means y squared equals 2 or y squared equals minus 2 because it's 2x. However, y squared cannot equals minus 2 because a square number cannot be negative, because any number squared is positive. So that means that y squared cannot equal minus 2. That means y squared equals 2. So if we root that, we get y equals plus minus root 2. Therefore, our two coordinates, or two stationary points, alright, SP for stationary points, will be 1 root 2 and 1 minus root 2, because of course we can't have the x equals minus 1 because we can't have y squared equals minus 2. So we disregard that and we get these two coordinates. So I've zoomed out. You can have a look at the working out if you want to. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. Let me know if you have any queries in the comments down below.